Welcome back to Antonine International School El Duquana. This video tutorial shows you how to take and submit a quiz on Microsoft Teams. Sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. Choose your class team. Click on Assignments and check for upcoming tests. Take the English grammar test. Click on it and it will take you to the test page. Enter your information and go to the next page. Answer the questions in each section and be aware of the timing. You only have 10 minutes to complete the test. If you want to correct anything, you can go back to the previous page. If not, go to the next page. Go next to the section 3. When you complete the test, click on Submit. You can view your results after completion. At the end, close the page. Thank you for watching. Check the playlist for more tutorials. For further assistance or information, please contact the IT department on it@ais-d.edu.lb.